Hey, what's going on? Beast Mode Brandon back again. Today I'm going to give you my honest review on the Brita water filter system. Ordered this off Amazon Prime. Came to my house in about 2 days. What I like about this is this lid comes up and there's your replaceable water filter that sticks into the water. So you input the water up here. As you can see, I have some water in here and it will slowly drip down through the water filter itself, and you get the purified water down here in the container. So all this water is good to drink. You have a nozzle, put a cup here, comes out pretty quick. And just like that, you get a full cup of water, and that's how easy that is to use. So once this water line goes down, you just put it in here, pop the lid open, put more water in, and it'll clean it up. So replacement filters is going right there. You pull that up, and what's real nice on the side, it has a graph. New filter, when you should replace it. So you buy January, you should replace it in March, just to keep up with it. So once again, this is the Brita water system. Very nice. Must have in our household for the purified filtered water. Hey, you guys have a blessed one. Catch me on the next one. Beast Mode out.